So if you're facing this problem and you want to fix this is what you have to do. First of all, tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK. And after restarting or rebooting your device, this problem is going to get fixed. When it's not getting fixed, this is what you have to do. Head straight to your phone menu, scroll down and tap on your Google Play Store. So when you tap on the Google Play Store, just search for Reddit. When you find Reddit, just tap on it. Then after that, you have to check in for the update. So when you find update over here in this section where the open is, just tap on it. After updating or getting the latest update of Reddit, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for Reddit app. So when you find your Reddit app, use your finger to tap on it for some while and tap over here, which is this symbol that appears down below over here. Just tap on this. Then when you tap on it, it's going to send you to the app info of Reddit. So when you get over here, tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is turned on. After that, go back and tap on the force stop. Tap on OK. Then you tap on, storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Then after that, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on. After doing this, what you have to do next is to restart your device by tapping on the power button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK, and this phone is going to you know turn off then turn on automatically without you doing anything, and this problem is going to get fixed after doing this. See you in the next one.